Good evening! A quick Ilocano word of the day. Let's say, Nadadaelen. Nadadaelen from the word nadadael. And to say already, which in Tagalog is na. Nadadaelen. 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 Nadadael, nadadael, nadadaelen. Tagalog, sira na. Something that is no good to eat. Like it's almost rotten. Halimbawa, for example, For example is this apple. It's no good. It's no good. Nadadaelen. Nadadaelen. Now you guys can clearly see it now. That's how the apple looks. See that? Nadadaelen.